Hi. Hello, namaste, ma'am. आप कैसे हो?
बच्चे हो
So, firstly, I would like to ask both of you, how are you all? How are you feeling? So, Ayushman, I know that it's been a long year, right? 10 boards, and I'm sure that it's always a very big milestone that is there. That we always say that 10th is the first very big milestone of our life. So, how are you feeling, or how was the past 1 year been?
It was great. Like, I've never expected it to be this emotional journey also with you all, and it will be so amazing. We studied and enjoyed together, and it really, I never expected 10 to be this great.
Right, ma'am. आपको कैसा लग रहा है? I mean, I'm sure that the past 1 year, it was, it's a very important year as well. So, how are you feeling throughout that whole 1 year?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि बच्चे ने ऑनलाइन टीचिंग करी है। इसने कोई कोचिंग नहीं की है। ये सब आपकी वजह से पॉसिबल हुआ है कि बायजूस की वजह से इतना अच्छा पढ़ाया गया है इसको कि इसको हर चीज़ समझ में आई है। ये बहुत अच्छा।
Thank you, ma'am. So, Ayushman, would you like to tell us your percentage and how much you've scored in every subject?
In Hindi, I scored 89. In maths, I scored 81. And in science, I scored 93. And in SST, I scored 98. It was so unexpected in SST.
I know, because we always SST 4 books, so much to study. I'm sure that at one point everybody was, finding it. I would not say difficult, but it's a lot, right, to remember and keep. But that's amazing that you got 98. Congratulations.
English, it was 95. And finally, in computer applications, it was 93.
मैम ये सब आपकी मेहनत से पढ़ा है।
Thank you so much, ma'am. It means a lot to hear this from you.
ने भी बहुत मेहनत की है पढ़ाई में।
Definitely, he's been one of our most committed students, and he's been very proactive. I think the enthusiasm that he brings into the class also is something that always, the students are very motivated. It motivates the teachers also, right? Like we want to push and do more. So I think it's a two-way thing, right? It would not have been possible without our students, and it's amazing to hear them, especially when we talk to them like this. We feel so happy listening to their marks and how well they've done. So it's a very proud moment for us also.
न्यूज़पेपर में इसका फोटो भी आया है।
Oh, that's really nice. Please do share the clippings with us, because we feel very happy to see that, and the entire team would be so happy to see that. So, Ayushman, I'm sure that you've also taken the Power Prep course with us, right? So, I'm sure that I think you were there in the first batch of Power Prep that was there for all the students. So, would you like to tell us how the Power Prep course helped us, and if you've ever used the Byju's app before, and if you have, how has that helped you in your preparation?
So the Power Prep course, the questions which was given was like very PYQ, were very boards oriented. It was very helpful for me, like enhancing my studies and all, and it definitely helped me at some point for preparation. The self-assessment sheets which was provided was very helpful also, and I have purchased Byju's course in 5th grade to 10th grade. So it was recorded lectures. So
that's really nice.
So the videos and the things which are provided, the animation which was very helpful in studies at some point. I have never felt like enjoying studies so much. But with those animation, my study experience was enhanced in 5th grade only. And I was like, I liked studying then. And in the YouTube also, you taught with so much great animations. The slides also, I was like, that's all I need. Was great.
So I'm sure that you have fallen in love with learning, and this enthusiasm that you have, I hope that you keep it all throughout life, right? The enthusiasm, the energy, and this, I would say, the attention to detail that you have, I would say that keep it on going with whatever you do. So now if I were to ask you, if you had to pick 2 subjects which are like your favorite 2 subjects, what would those 2 subjects be?
Like from only science or whole 10?
No, I mean up to you. I will not restrict you. You can say whatever are your 2 favorite subjects.
English and science, I would say. In the way you are taught in 10th class, really enhanced. I fell in love with science stream and maths also. And the 11th grade maths, which Khushbu ma'am is teaching, she teaches so simply, like I never expected it to be this simple.
So that means going forward, you will be taking Science Ayushman for your 11th and 12th. Then on that note, we would like to tell you that because you've been such an amazing performer, you're like our champion. So we would like to give you the Aakash Byju's app. We'll give you like a free 1 month free period where you will have entire access to the. So starting forward, our team will be contacting you and you will have access to the Aakash Byju's app, so that now that you've already started watching the math classes with Khushbu ma'am, you'll be able to learn more, and the access will absolutely be free till about June. So you can definitely go through all the videos that are there, the practice papers, mock papers. So everything that you were doing with the Byju's app, you will again get it with the Aakash Byju's app as well. So we wanted to give that to you. And thank you so much, ma'am, for being such a constant support in his life. I'm sure that all this would not have been possible without you and sir, being there as a backbone. And thank you for all the kind words that you shared with us. I think it means a lot when we also hear good feedback from parents. And, we feel very nice that it's not just that we are interacting with the students, we get this opportunity to talk to you, and seeing the smile on your face. आपके चेहरे पे ऐसे smile देख के I'm feeling very, very happy. Anything you would like to share with us?
Yes, ma'am. Like one experience I want to share. In Saturdays, we usually get days off from online classes, right? So when the classes were, I was like, yeah, we have class. So I was happy. And in Saturdays, I was sad because we had no classes.
Okay. So I think with this, we'll wind up, Ayushman. We'll stay connected. And thank you so much, ma'am, for coming here today. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thanks again for being in 10th class. To all teachers, I am so grateful. It was not possible without you all. And really, I miss you all so much in 11.
We miss you all too. I think we will always remember our students, right? So we will always keep in touch. We will always stay in touch. And thank you.
Okay, bye, ma'am.
Okay. Bye. See you.